From rockets to warp drives, humanity's journey into space has always been about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Each step forward represents a giant leap for humankind, a testament to our relentless curiosity and ambition. Remember the Saturn V rocket? It got us to the moon, which was pretty cool. This monumental achievement marked a significant milestone in space exploration. But let's be honest, it was also kind of slow and clunky. The technology, while groundbreaking at the time, now seems almost primitive. It's like comparing a horse-drawn carriage to a Ferrari. The advancements in technology have been nothing short of revolutionary. We need something faster, something bolder, something more warp-speedy. The future of space travel demands innovation beyond our current imagination. Enter NASA, always pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Their dedication to exploring the unknown has led to some of the most incredible technological advancements. They're not just talking about strapping bigger engines onto rockets. They're rethinking the very fundamentals of space travel. They're exploring something far more radical, the Alcubierre warp drive. This concept could potentially revolutionize how we traverse the cosmos, making interstellar travel a reality. Bending space, the Alcubierre warp drive explained. Imagine a future where interstellar travel is not just a dream, but a reality. The Alcubierre warp drive could be the key to unlocking this potential. Here's the thing about space. It's not an empty void. It's a vast dynamic expanse filled with stars, planets, and cosmic phenomena. But more importantly, space itself has properties that can be manipulated. It's more like a giant sheet of fabric that can be stretched and bent. This fabric, known as the space-time continuum, can be influenced by massive objects like stars and black holes, which warp the space around them. That's where the Alcubierre drive comes in. Named after physicist Miguel Alcubierre, this theoretical concept proposes a method of faster-than-light travel by warping space-time itself. Instead of propelling a spacecraft through space, it aims to manipulate space itself. By contracting space in front of the spacecraft and expanding it behind, the drive creates a warp bubble that moves the ship forward. Imagine standing on a rug. You want to reach the other side, but instead of walking, you pull the rug towards you. This analogy helps to visualize how the warp drive would function. You want to reach the other side, but instead of walking, you pull the rug towards you. By manipulating the fabric of space-time, the spacecraft effectively shortens the distance it needs to travel. That's kind of what the warp drive is trying to do. It's a revolutionary idea that could change the way we think about space travel, making distant stars and galaxies more accessible. It contracts space in front of the spacecraft and expands it behind, creating a warp bubble that carries the ship along. This bubble effectively moves space around the ship, allowing it to travel vast distances in a fraction of the time. The best part? This bubble travels faster than light without actually breaking the laws of physics. It sidesteps the cosmic speed limit by moving space itself, rather than the ship. Your physics teacher can rest easy. The Alcubierre warp drive respects the fundamental principles of physics, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the future of space exploration. Baby steps in space-time experiments and discoveries. Scientists around the world are pushing the boundaries of what we know about the universe. From theoretical physics to practical applications, the journey is both challenging and exhilarating. Now, before you pack your bags for a trip to Alpha Centauri, we're not quite there yet. The dream of interstellar travel is still a distant reality, but every small step brings us closer to making it possible. Building a warp drive is like trying to bake a cake the size of Texas. It's complicated, the challenges are immense, involving not just engineering but also understanding the very fabric of space-time. But scientists at NASA are working on it. They are dedicated to turning science fiction into science fact, one experiment at a time. They've created miniature warp fields in the lab, generating tiny distortions in space-time. These experiments are crucial for understanding how we might one day manipulate space-time on a larger scale. These are baby steps, but they prove that the underlying theory might actually work. Each discovery, no matter how small, adds a piece to the puzzle, bringing us closer to unlocking the secrets of the universe. The implications of this technology are mind-blowing. Imagine reaching distant star systems within a human lifetime. Imagine exploring planets beyond our solar system, encountering new life forms, and unlocking the secrets of the universe. The Alcubierre drive could make all of this a reality. It's not just science fiction anymore. It's science on the verge of becoming fact. We live in an age where reality is often stranger and more exciting than fiction. The pursuit of a warp drive is a testament to the power of human curiosity and ingenuity. So keep looking up at the stars, my friends, because the future of space travel is closer than you think, and it's going to be one heck of a ride.